Can we delete all of your messages on TikTok at once? In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your TikTok messages at once or as fast as possible on both Android and iPhone. So let's dive right in. First, TikTok doesn't currently have a built-in feature to delete all messages with one tap. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest way to clear all chats manually. Now, simply open the TikTok app, tap on the inbox at the bottom or the paper plane icon. Now, simply you'll see a list of chats over here. Simply swipe right, and what you can do is simply tap on delete. Click on confirm. To speed things up, clear the most recent messages first, like this. That's where most of your space is being used. If you don't want anyone messaging you, you can also disable DMs completely. Go to your profile, tap on three lines, and go to settings and privacy. Now, go to privacy and scroll down on direct messages. Tap on it and simply choose friends or no one, so that no unnecessary person will be able to message you. Now, if you want to remove all traces, you can also log out of your account or clear app cache from settings. And that's how you can easily and quickly delete all the TikTok messages, even though there's no one click option yet.